Which bike? Ah, that one.
70.
1970s?
70s.
Oh yeah. I've never seen like this in the Philippines.
You see, you got two chains. And when the engine doesn't work, and then you make like a bicycle.
Ah, it's Peugeot.
Yes, Peugeot, the 103. It's the first Peugeot.
So CrazyBob is going to repair this, or he's going to try to repair. This is a dual purpose, a motor and at the same not at the same time, a motor or a bicycle. So if you run out of gasoline,
you ride like a bicycle.
and then you ride ride like a bicycle. We got lots of bike here now. For the racing bikes, and then just normal
You wanted to check this bike?
bicycling.
You wanted to check this bike?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
I
me,
like
say.
this. It's nice.
I say, no, give it to me.
Yeah.
For Marielle. Screw battery. I don't know if there's fuel.
Oh. It's like that.
When the engine turns, you stop, huh? You stop and then you, like a motor, yeah? You see? It's like a motor. I think there's not a lot to do. Only the wheel behind, not change. And then grease, little bit thing, clean the motor. Put a new light here. And put two new things here. I think
It's nice.
the engineer, to dye your engine like that.
Yeah. This is the tulip that I planted last October or November. So here was already cut off. Normally it's 10, but this one it didn't grow well because when it was still small, my brother-in-law, how you call this? He cleaned this the grasses. He cut the grasses, and it was included. So I'm looking forward for next year. There's going to be more coming out from here. This is my 2025 tulips. Hello. Hello. What kind of look is that? to start? Ah, you have to do the pedal to start. Then stop. Okay. It reminds me of the sound of the motor every morning at my father's place. At my grandfather's place, every morning, it sounds like that.
The chain. It's okay, but so it's good. The engine turns good. I replace the cable. The stop works.
And it feels so right. Maybe this time love will end. Oh, man, no.
Can't go to the door under my leg.
Uh-huh.
It's so far away.